It's Sunday today. There's not much left to get off the car really. I'm going to do a little bit today because I've got some things to do in the evening, so it won't be a very long session, but record what I get up to. So, back at the garage again. Just set up some mats. Get the diff out. Start trying to get this clutch line out. It's gone underneath the car. Oh yeah. That's out now. We've got the clutch line. Try and get this interior panel out. The one without the navigation unit. There's that then. Alright, I think we're going to call it a day for today. Off camera I just took the tail light out. And it actually is in very good condition. So I'll be keeping that. I'll get the other one out probably next time. But yeah.